In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on the Shein app. Let's get started. First, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the profile page, tap on Settings, which is usually located at the top right corner. Inside Settings, look for the Manage My Account option and tap on it. Here, you will see the email address currently linked to your Shein account. Tap on the email option, then select Change. Shein may ask you to verify your identity by sending a verification code to your current email address. After that, enter your new email address in the provided field. Shein will then send another verification code to your new email address. Enter the verification code and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the change. Once the process is completed, your email address will be successfully updated on your Shein account. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.